Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the Kony mobile app development platform. Kony is an enterprise-grade solution designed to empower businesses to rapidly develop, deploy, and manage applications across a wide range of devices and platforms. You'll find links to the platform itself down in the description. Kony offers a robust suite of features that significantly streamline the development lifecycle. These features include a drag-and-drop interface builder, tools for seamless back-end integration, and a library of pre-built templates. This combination makes Kony a compelling option for businesses of all sizes seeking to create custom mobile applications, even without extensive coding knowledge. One of Kony's most impressive strengths is its cross-platform compatibility. Developers can write code once and deploy it across iOS, Android, and web applications, leading to substantial savings in both development time and cost. The platform also prioritizes security, making it a suitable choice for businesses handling sensitive data or operating within regulated industries such as healthcare or finance. Kony boasts an intuitive user interface, featuring a design studio that caters to both novice and seasoned developers alike, enabling them to build sophisticated mobile apps. Its ability to seamlessly integrate with a variety of back-end systems, including SAP, Salesforce, and Microsoft Azure, further enhances its appeal for enterprises looking to maximize their existing technology investments. Furthermore, Kony's cloud-based architecture provides inherent scalability, allowing businesses to manage their applications without the burden of managing server infrastructure. For developers working on mission-critical applications, Kony provides comprehensive testing tools and performance analytics to ensure smooth deployments and continuous optimization. In conclusion, the Kony mobile app development platform excels as a high-performance, cross-platform solution with a strong emphasis on security and enterprise-grade integrations. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a business owner looking to streamline your mobile app development process, Kony offers the tools you need to succeed. Check out the links in the description for more information, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert reviews.